Hey guys, the YouTuber guide here. Just want to start with a little warning. You should not, in my opinion, start any compilation channel, like meme compilation, top 10 anime where the MC is overpowered, etc. Don't do r/ask Reddit channel or any channel that just steals content and doesn't put much effort into the content. This is because YouTube is trying to discourage these practices and most if not all of them will not get monetized and you will have worked for nothing. Number 1. Make a gaming channel. Video games are a billion-dollar business and it keeps growing, so it is no surprise that making a good gaming channel will get a lot of attention. You can make tutorials on how to clear a stage, defeat a boss or even how to play a certain build/class. You can also do gameplay. This one doesn't need much effort. You will need to be either really good, so people are going to watch you to get better, or you just have to be funny. You can make reviews about new games or even in older games. Older players often want to know how a new player sees the game. If you like to read, you can also make videos about the lore of a game. This one requires more time and effort to make. Number 2. Making a cooking channel. Cooking is one that will never be outdated. You just have to find your own twist. For example, you could make a channel about making food that looks scary. Just try and be innovative. There are some channels that only focus on making old recipes like the old way, or the closer they can to the old ways. You can also try to replicate a dish in a movie or a show like MasterChef, for example. Number 3. ASMR videos. In my opinion, I just find ASMR annoying. But these videos get a ton of views. The best thing about it is that you don't need anything fancy. You only need a decent microphone and various objects to make satisfying sounds while trying to be appealing on the eye too. Some channels make videos where they rub a feather on a mic for the whole video. You can even pair ASMR with cooking. Number 4. Fitness and health. I think it is no secret that we want to look good and we don't want to spend years trying to achieve it. We want the best or easiest way to achieve our goal. You can make videos about losing weight. You can help people with their training technique or routine. You can make a whole channel all about diet. Yoga videos are also pretty popular, but there is a ton of them on the platform. Number 5. How to make money channel. Everyone likes money, so you can make videos about investing. You can make videos about side jobs so they can make extra money. If you are interested in cryptocurrency, there is also a pretty big community around that. Number 6. Travel videos. You can make videos about the travel you did. You can show footage of the place, the people, beautiful views, etc. You can give people advice on how to get a cheap hotel, good food, what activities you can do on a budget. You can tell people what they should or should not do if they don't want to get in trouble in another country. There is also a place for street food. Some channels are entirely dedicated to street food and get tons of attention. Number 7. Software tutorial. If you are good at programming, video editing, or on any software, you can make tutorials for beginners. You can also make more advanced tutorials because the help in many software don't cover the more advanced stuff. Number 8. Book and movie related channels. You can make videos reviewing books you read or movies you watched. You can even just explain the difference between the book and the movie. You can make videos about explaining the story or what they might have missed. Number 9. Unboxing. Does it frustrate you when you buy an item on Amazon and when it arrives, it's not what you thought it was? Well, with an unboxing channel, you can solve this problem. You buy the item or a company might give you one for free so you can review it. So you just make the unboxing visually pleasing and test the product so your viewers don't have to. Number 10. Makeup and beauty. Many channels on YouTube are getting a lot of views just by giving people little tips and hacks on how to use your makeup or do your hair. This kind of channel is, obviously, getting more attention from girls, but you can also have a men's makeup channel running pretty great if you find the great topic. You can also just make special makeup like superheroes if you are very talented. To conclude this video, I just want to tell you, no matter what you choose to do for your channel, be passionate about the subject. People will feel this passion and they will be more likely to watch more of your videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below what your channel is about or will be about. I am curious to find out. Have an excellent day and I wish you the best.